Hello everyone, my name is Eddie, and this is my presentation of the future, so come along for the ride. So this face is me. Now, this is one of my promo shots that I wanted to do for a long time, and let's go back to the beginning and show you why I chose to do this. This face, first horror film I ever loved. And I wanted to do horror films ever since. Michael Myers. Also, Freddy Krueger. Awesome films, both of them, which got me into doing what I love doing. Haunted Attractions was my future, I thought, besides film. And so now I want to combine the two. I would like to do live fear, live horror, and introduce that into film production. So, my journey all these years finally led me to Full Sail University, where I was able to hone my craft and do everything that I wanted to do. Learn producing, learn directing, learn, editing. Everything that I, needed more advancement on, I was able to get at this school. Awesome. So this is my company that I want to work for, Blumhouse. These guys are amazing. They've done everything from The Nun, Get Out, to Paranormal Activity. And this is a thing that I want to do because these guys are original. They do original stuff that that no one else does anymore. Everything else is reboots or, or sequels or whatever. And they don't, there's no originality anymore. These guys are awesome. And with my experience in haunted attractions, I think I can provide that. It's a different take, it's a different look, it's a different aspect of entertainment and horror. I can bring you everything that I brought from that to film, and it's a whole another ball game. You provide a crazy story that makes you actually scared on set. And I think that would enhance the acting, enhance the whole production. And that's why I think I would be a great choice as director for Blumhouse. If you would please choose me. Together our vision of the future is very bright, and I think we can succeed. Thank you.